Hello and welcome to another installment of Nexus Digital's Marketing Minute. My name is Brady, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of Facebook's Aggregate event measurement tool. Now, you've probably already set up your Facebook pixel. You've got your domain verified through the Facebook Business Manager, and now it's time to set up your conversion goals in your events so you can get some promo running. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do from your Facebook Business Manager is head over to your menu and highlight the hamburger menu to open up all tools. And either from your shortcuts or from the Manage Business dropdown, you're going to see Events Manager. You're just going to want to click on one of those. And you're going to find the pixel that you're looking for that you want to review, and it's going to show you, you're going to want to click on your pixel API, and this is going to show you a list of events or conversions that are currently active and pulling from the Facebook pixel. If you happen to notice that the green light is actually red and there's an issue, you can drop down, can manage the event, and you can view details of that event to kind of correct it. If not, you're going to want to go to your Add Event section. You're going to highlight and either use the Facebook Pixel tool, use a third-party integration like Google Tag Manager, or directly put new code on your site that corresponds to those events, and then you should refresh. But we've already gone through that. We've got another video that goes through that entire conversion setup. So there's another video to see. Here we're going to focus in on the new aggregated event measurement. So you're going to click on that. And from here, you're going to go to Edit, and you're going to manage your events. You're going to find your domain again. And it's going to show you that your domain's been verified, how many events are currently being recorded, and it's going to show you the priority of those events. Now we're going to go and we're going to modify this. It's going to show you that it could take up to 72 hours. Now again, I have yet to see it take up to 72 hours, but the disclaimer is there. You're just going to click the Edit button. And we're just going to run through this and set it up for e-commerce. So you can see here, again, I've got 8 of 8 of the slots that are in place. And we're running our highest priority to lowest priority. You want to put your events in the reverse sequence of the purchase process. So at the top here, I'm going to change lead to purchase. Actually, not here. Sorry. We are going to bump up initiate checkout. We're going to add payment info and slide that one up, as that's the last section before the actual purchase. We're going to slide up the add to cart, so it'll go in that order for anyone that's added an element to the cart. They've initiated their checkout, they've added their payment info, and they've completed the purchase. Now, in addition to that, we're going to have a few other elements, including schedule. This is for this particular client that looks to schedule meetings or appointments or bookings. You're then going to highlight contact for anyone that reaches out through the website, through phone, or by form. We're going to change wish list to lead, so anyone that has completed a form. And we're going to bump that up a section. And then I'm going to change search to view content. And once this is done, you've adjusted your order. And after you've completed and you've checked it over once, gone through, you're just going to scroll down to the bottom and select the review button. However, Facebook has done an update And although you're allowed to add up to 8 events, if you're looking to track your ROAS or your return on your ad spend, Facebook has said that they need up to 4 events to do so. So in that case, what you're going to want to do is remove the bottom 4. So to remove any of the events, I'm just going to highlight it and quickly just click on the X, and that will remove them from the queue. And then you're going to hit the review button. Now, before you go in and click the review button, it's important to make sure that you've got the correct Facebook pixel associated with each event name, and it is linked to the account. After you've done that, then yes, click on the review button, and it's going to highlight all your changes. And you want to review these to make sure that the order is correct. Okay. And again, if you're looking to apply your ROAS, you're going to have to remove and clear up space. So you only have 4 of the 8 events in place. Click on review again. Now, I'm not going to be able to change these because 2 of these events actually apply to some campaigns that are going through. But what you'll do is you'll review the process. Yes, confirm the changes, and then hit the apply button.
And there you have it. You've officially gone through and set up and prioritized all of your conversion events through Facebook's Business Manager, and you're ready to go on and create some promo. Now, if you haven't seen the Facebook Pixel setup or the domain verification setup, please head to nexusdigital.co and visit our resource section, or head over to YouTube and check those out. And feel free to reach out on any of our social channels to let us know what kind of help you need or what you're looking for in terms of the next tutorial, or any questions. Feel free to reach out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot and have a good day.